Hello, my name is Nurhanisa Imran binti Juman and my metric number is 067773. And for assignment D, I will present the report I have written before, which is in the assignment C, class 6 and personality and recognition. And for assignment C, which we have to refer from class 6, personality and recognition. For this class, students are required to choose one international organizations that affiliated with the United Nations. And the group that I reviewed chose the World Health Organization, WHO, as the topic. WHO is a specialized agency of the United Nations responsible for international public health. And this group used one husband and 5 wife techniques, which are how, what, who, where, when, and why. Thus, this group have 6 questions regarding WHO. And the questions are how WHO is founded. The second question is what is WHO? Next is who is the member of WHO. Next is where does WHO take place. And next is when was WHO established. And lastly, why WHO declared COVID-19 as a pandemic. For the first questions, WHO gets its funding from 2 main sources, which is member states paying their assessed contribution, countries' membership dues, and voluntary contribution from member states and other partners. So the World Health Organization is the international body responsible for public health, which was founded in 1948, and this organization had a major role in many of the public health successes, and they also run campaign that has achieved the near eradication of polio and has worked decades to reduce the threat from malaria. And moreover, WHO also sets international standards for diagnosing diseases and disorders. And WHO has 194 member states across 6 regions involving the representative from Afghanistan, Albania, and Argentina. And consequently, headquarters located at Geneva, Switzerland. 6 regions, which are Africa, Americas, Southeast Asia, Europe, Eastern Mediterranean, and West Pacific. And WHO has 149 field offices in countries, territories, or areas. And in order to promote health and assist the underprivileged, the organization links nations, partners, and communities. And by achieving universal health care, WHO collaborates with its member states to ensure the best possible level of health for everyone. And lastly, the COVID-19 outbreak was declared by the WHO as a public health emergency of international concerns on January 13. And WHO declared COVID-19 as pandemic on March 11 due to rapid increase in the number of cases involving a growing number of countries. And for this group, I think all members in this group actively participate during the discussion, and as all members contribute on how they want to construct the questions, and they use Canva as their platform to present the topic. And at the end of the session, they also did include attached documents as the instruction given. I think for this group is really interesting because this group can relate the topic with the current situation issue, which is they relate WHO with COVID-19 as one of their questions. And for the answer given, I think it's really easy for the audience to understand. It's clear. And I think for the conclusion, the World Health Organization had contributed a lot to humankind, as this organization ensured that a billion more people have universal health coverage to protect a billion more people from health emergencies and provide a further billion people with better health and well-being. That's all from me. Thank you.